Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Upwork and going straight to your profile settings. Click your avatar and choose Profile. Once there, make sure your account verification is complete because that prevents unexpected limits. You should already have the new category name, 3 primary skills, and a portfolio item ready to upload. Begin editing now by selecting the Edit Profile button. This opens the sections you will change. Don't stall. Having assets ready speeds the process and avoids saving. Next, navigate to the Profile Overview or Profile Preferences and locate the category dropdown. This is where you change your main area. Once you pick the new category, make sure to update your title and overview to align with it so clients see consistency. Then adjust your skill list, remove irrelevant skills, and add up to 10 that reflect the new focus. While you're there, attach portfolio items that prove your expertise. This improves search relevance and client trust. Finally, review every field, title, overview, category, and skills, then click Save and wait for Upwork to refresh your profile. Once done, view the public profile and search using relevant keywords to confirm visibility. Make sure your title and summary include client search terms for better matches. If something didn't apply, clear your browser cache or try another browser, and then resave. If edits still fail, contact Upwork support with screenshots. That usually resolves backend or permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.